What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to replace the remote battery in a 2019 Range Rover. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of your remote. To do that, on the right side of the remote down here at the bottom, there's a button that's going to release it. We're going to push it with our thumb, and then we're going to pull the emergency key out the bottom like this. We're going to turn it over, and we're going to take this back half of the remote cover off using a small flathead screwdriver. Just going to stick it in here like this, and I'm going to give it a little twist. Okay, you can see how it opened up the remote a little bit, and I'm just going to use the flathead screwdriver to pop this guy up. It's going to make some noises. It's perfectly normal. You take the cover off like this, then we'll slide the battery out of the holder here. Okay, and then get a new battery, and I'll show you what size the new battery is. Here's our new battery. The size is a CR2025. Notice the positive sign will be facing up when we stick it back in the remote here. If you need a battery, check the description box out. There's a link there for you to pick up some batteries on Amazon. Just get the cover and stick it back on the top first, and then we'll push it all together. You hear it kind of click and pop. The emergency key goes in. If it goes in nice and smooth, we're all done. Hope you liked the video, and if it was useful, I really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.